What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Going to go over GALA games. There may be a larger pullback in store. So currently we're sitting at 0.042. We're down 6% on the day. See a market cap of 297 million. 24-hour volume 266 million. Let's hop into the charts. So a potential possibility, if Bitcoin ends up seeing a larger pullback, that could take you down to 21 to 25K. Which is on the table, especially with this bearish divergence. That would obviously lead to a larger pullback for GALA games. So since we pulled back, we are looking at this as being the wave 2, but you can see that this move is not very impulsive, which is typical of a wave 3. It should be very impulsive. So it could potentially be a wave B. A wave B is a 3-wave move in an ABC. So what we could be looking at is that your wave A, you pull back into B, push it up in a wave C, to complete the wave B, a 3-wave move, and then potentially come down in a wave C. Now, more confirmation of this if we start to lose the daily cross, the daily bullish cross of the 20 over the 55, then potentially what you could see is a wave C. If Bitcoin were to come down to 25K, this would be the scenario that would play out for GALA games. And potentially see GALA come all the way back down to the region of 0.020 to 0.030. Which would obviously be another incredible opportunity to enter either your hodl position or a long trade, in my opinion, to ride it back up. With our previous wave count, we have started to break below the max retracement for a wave 4, which was 0.0434. Now it could potentially still bounce, and it was just a wick below the 50%. But the fact that we've already broken it is another warning sign of potentially seeing a larger pullback and invalidating this wave count altogether. It really all depends on BTC. There are signs that we are going to see a larger pullback, but if we were to put in a higher high first, then potentially GALA could still put in that wave 5. But as I have mentioned, it has broken the max retracement for the wave 4. So just a quick little update for GALA. As I mentioned, the fact that this move is not very impulsive would suggest that it's not a wave 3 and potentially that it's a wave B. And as I mentioned, more confirmation if we end up losing the daily bullish cross, we break below these EMAs, then you can see a wave C that could take you down in between 0.020 and about 0.030. That's it for this little update. I was excited to see the bullish cross, but it needs to hold if you are going to see upside continuation, because it is another strong warning sign if the bullish cross breaks down. As you can see, maybe I can give you another example. Well, this is just an absolutely massive example. But as we started to lose the bullish cross, the EMAs, we had the bearish cross, we saw a continuation to the downside. So we just printed the bullish cross, but if it fails to hold, then you can see continuation to the downside. If we do bounce, then your next resistance to watch is up here at about 0.061. We'll have to see how it plays out, but I do think there's a good chance Bitcoin sees a large pullback relatively soon. All right, gang, so make sure to sign up to either Bitget or Bybit, up to 30K in bonuses on Bybit, up to 8K in bonuses on Bitget. Check out my full-length tutorials. Email me your sign-up email. I'll give you completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. If you make your first deposit to one of the exchanges, takes 2 minutes. 30-day free trial to my signals, analysis, crypto news. Members like to post their profits in here. As you can see, my hodl alt plays, it's only $10 a month if you want direct access through the Patreon. But as I mentioned, if you make your first deposit, you get a 30-day free trial. All links in the comment section down below. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.